Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Aaron, and today is the video gonna be about few more accessories added in the car, and I bought a thing for myself. So let's get started without wasting a single second. And I might shoot 2 videos today. Depends how it is, but hopefully. But let's see. And I passed my driving license test as well. So I have a driving license now. So you might get more vlogs now, if I'm being honest. But let's show you this. Like, see, I passed my driving license test, so I've got a license. But the only bad thing is that seeing that this car is a 23 plate car and a good car, I have to get a black box. So I have got a black box. I'll show you the black box as well. So let's get started. So let's see if you can find anything different over here. Let me tell you. So first is this mobile holder, because there's my Apple CarPlay screen has to get updated, which hasn't been updated yet. So if I touch my cable a slightly bit, or there's something wrong with the screen or the port, so if I touch my cable even a slight bit, the Apple CarPlay turns off. So I've got this mobile holder, so I put my phone over there, so that's fine. So it doesn't like cut off without any reason. The second thing is the dash cam. In case of it, everyone knows what dash cam is, but if like, just to clear, just a small brief, like if there's a crash or something, I can show the recording that it wasn't my fault. If it wasn't my fault, if it was my fault, that's a different thing, but it can help me from insurance scams and everything. Third thing is the 12-volt socket. I usually don't use it because my phone's connected to Apple CarPlay, so it gets fully connected and like it goes like it charges on its own. But if someone else is in my car, they can put the cable in there and charge it. And the third thing is this POV mount. So I use this for which I'm going to use now, so it helps me like show you the inside of the car. So that's the accessories I got for the car. And for myself, I got a chain. That's from Pro Steel. And if I open it, let me show you. And if I open it, so difficult to open by one hand. But if I open it, let's open. Yep, it's a cross. So if I put my phone here for a sec. Yep. Oh no, can't make it stay, I can't lie. Oh no, fell off. Oops. I just want to make it stay for a sec so I can put it on, that's all. I don't think so. I can put it higher over here. Yeah, I do look alright in that. So if I take my glasses off, where's the hook? Here it is. So put it straight away in. I've got a hook in it as well to open it, but yeah, put it in. So here we go. Oops. Yeah. So guys, how do I look with the chain? Yeah. That's the surrounding thing, but okay. Yeah. And then the last thing is the black box. It is right here. This tracks everything. I mean everything. It's so bad. It obviously I can't overspeed in it, that most of the people would know, but I can't even corner too hard, I can't even brake too hard, I can't even accelerate too hard. It's just so bad, I can't lie. It is so bad. But I mean, otherwise my insurance is going to be way too high, so I have to make it work for the first year. Right now with the black box, I am paying for a 1.5 liter MGZS 2023 plate. I am paying 2,200 something. So the first payment was 330 and the monthly payment is going to be 179. It is quite cheap with the black box, I can't lie, but without the black box I would have been like looking at like at least 5-6 grand, 5-6k pounds. So that's not worth it spending that much money. And I actually had these boxes and all. That's the box for the dash cam, and it has switched to 1x. Yep, 0.5 again. Yeah, that's the dash cam. That's its quality is like 3-inch display, IPS HD screen, 170-degree HD wide angle, high resolution CMOS sensor, which I don't know what that means if I'm being honest. Then I got lens aperture f2.0. I got JPEG and MOV, just the different types. Built-in microphone and speaker, built-in 3-axis impact accelerometer, gravitational sensor to lock and protect current video, storage temperature -20 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius, operating temperature -10 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius, TF card glass, max support 32 GB. Oh, okay, so it can only support 32 GB, 32 gigs of memory card, built-in Leon battery, 200 mAh. Oh, okay, so it can stay on for a while. Not a lot, but for a while. But in MGZS, the best feature is this: they get a USB cable, a USB plug right here, so I didn't have to take the 12-volt socket and plug it in, like hide all the wiring and plug it all the way through. I can just plug it through here, and that's plugged. As you can see, it's recording right now. The dash cam is recording as well. And yeah, I'm at the reservoir, so I don't wanna go out a bit, but I would go out in a bit. And that's so it's from Amazon warehouse. This mobile holder was like only for £2 because it was from Amazon warehouse and it is quite cheap. And this is the box for that, and this is the big box, in all honesty, for the dash cam. And that's the instruction manual, which if I be honest, I didn't read single bit of it, because usually all of us know how to use usually people know how to use a dash cam. So I just installed it. I went through all the features and all that. And if you want a full video for the dash cam, just let me know, I'll put it out. And there's people behind me, if I'm being honest, otherwise I would have showed you. Actually, let me just show you. There's a NP car meet club. I'll leave a snap in the comments, but if you like going into car meets and all that, I can show you that. Like, it is this NP car meets. It is on the both sides, if I'm being honest. You can see over here as well. And I'm gonna put a black box sticker right here, just so obviously people get annoyed if I stick to like the speed limit properly, like 30. I know this, like, we shouldn't overspeed, but like even going like 35 is not that too much bad. So people do get annoyed. So I'm just gonna put a black box so they would know, like, okay, I can't do anything. And obviously, if you've seen my previous vlogs, this is like the cross and the air freshener already there, which tangle in each other a lot, and I keep sorting them out. But that's about it. And I would have showed you the Apple CarPlay interface, but the thing is, as soon as I connect the Apple CarPlay, the voice goes bad, so you can't hear anything. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's for today's video. I might record one more video about this. I had like few negatives in the car. And yeah, that's about it. Actually, after just pausing, I'll show you like a POV mount, and we'll check it as well, how good that is. So I'll just see you now. So hey guys, again me here, and here's the POV stand. The phone is connected to it, and let's get started. Let me just put my seat belt on. Here we go, and let me turn on the car. Just waiting for all the lights to go off on the dash. It's just me thing, if I be honest. And here we go. Like, the car's turned on, and if I drive now, So yeah, I can't go in much of a speed. I'll do some mad things, but just take you on a small little spin. And there's a car coming in the front. But we got enough space. It's a 2-lane thing. But do tell me, guys, if you want more vlogs like this, if I'm being honest. And my phone just dipped down, isn't it? I'll just set it up now. I don't know why it has done that. It is tilted now. Okay, I'll just stop the car and check it now. I'll pause the video and check it now. I'll just stop the car now. The car is stopped. Let me check it now. So yeah, guys, I couldn't make this thing work. I'm sure you can see this in the camera. Yeah, so I couldn't make this thing work, but I'm gonna go home and check it later today. So yeah, and this is about the vlog. Let's just take you back because I came here with my parents. So let me just set up my phone. Oh, it's so hard to get on the thing. And here we go, my phone's just set up. And let's just go back and pick them up. And I have another video of the negative, which I would probably go home and record. But it is quite nice to have the camera over there and you can see. So let's go. It is gonna be a bit shaky, I can't lie about that, because that thing shakes a lot. It is quite shaky, I can't lie. I might need to get a stabilizer or something, but we'll see what it is. But for now, I'm sorry about the terrible video quality, bros. My guys. I'm joking. I'm sorry about like the shakiness of the video. I would check if I can get it more stable in the editing or not. But I will see how it is, guys. So I will talk to you guys later. Tara, see you later, guys.